The 33rd death anniversary of late Captain Williamson A. Sangma, the first Chief Minister of Meghalaya and the first Chief Executive Member of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, was observed today by the Ghadc at William Point in Tura. Speaking on the occasion, Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency Chairman Rupert W. Momin highlighted the visions of the first Chief Minister and his active part in the Hill State movement. Later, Momin and the other dignitaries placed wreaths and bouquets at Captain Sangma's graveyard located at his residence.
Chief Executive Member of Maha. Uni vision ko, aro cenciani ko, ia biapo mengmang, donge kam kana, skanabati, apalo tentang manca, dak bata gadamu, ancini jatna, abrini jatna kam kana ski, wa tentang movement rango. Japur aha.